We're on a quest just for you. Our Weapons of Mass Reduction series continues this morning with a new armament in the battle of the bulge. It's a laser that promises to literally melt away unwanted fat. It's called the Zerona. Its makers claim it works like liposuction, but without the surgery, the pain, or the recovery time. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? Well, we're going to get the real story for you. Joining us this morning with more is New York cosmetic surgeon Dr. Jan Trokel and his patient Nicolina, who's a 29-year-old medical consultant. She's about to finish her 6th treatment, and we'll get some firsthand reaction from her. But first, doctor, I have to ask you, this really does sound too good to be true. It's going to melt away the fat?
That's what it does.
How does that happen?
The Zerona uses a cold laser technology, and what it does, it makes a hole in the fat cell, the fat leaks out, and our own bodies will then metabolize the fat.
Okay, but is this targeting, so is this fat or cellulite? Because the cellulite's still going to be there, right?
The cellulite will stay, but what this is going to do is targets the fat, and you lose inches.
How many inches are we talking about,
and
where?
Most of my patients lose about 3 to 5 inches per area. We have to, when we talk about fat, we have to differentiate. There's 2 kinds of fat. There's the wiggly jiggly fat.
Yes, I know about that fat.
That's the subcutaneous fat, right. And that's
kind of the beer belly fat, we should point out. No, that's not.
That's the fat that you can actually pinch and hold on yourself.
Okay.
Right?
This machine won't help that.
No, that's what it helps.
Okay.
The beer belly, that's the visceral fat. That's like, you ever see those guys with the big barrel bellies?
Yes.
And they're hard? Well, that's the fat. That's called visceral fat.
So that's different.
Right. And that won't treat that.
And this works mainly, I know you say, on love handles, things on your back and your thighs. It's not cheap, though. $3,000, is that right?
Well, the entire series is about $3,000, but it's $500 a treatment.
Over 3 treatments over 2 weeks.
Right, so it's 3 treatments a week for 2 weeks, so 6 treatments in total.
Okay.
And you can, wherever the fat is, whether it's on your hips, whether it's on your sides, whether it's on your thighs, that's the area that we target, and that's where you'll lose the inches.
All right, so Nicolina, tell me, first of all, do you feel this at all? You've got lasers on your back here.
Nothing. Amazingly enough, no, I don't feel a thing.
And this is, you eat well, you say, you exercise a lot, your mom's a personal trainer.
Yes, it's a lifestyle, but this is after 3 weeks, and when you see the befores and afters, I mean, the results are just shocking.
So you think it really works. I'm going to have you get up for a second, because we're going to do some before and after pictures, and as you're getting up, I just want to ask you a couple more questions.
Okay.
How long were you told it was going to last, and how long will it last, doctor?
The results will last as long as she keeps up her diet and her exercise.
Okay.
Unlike liposuction, this doesn't extract the fat. What we're doing is shrinking the fat cells. So as long as she maintains a good lifestyle,
then she's
going to continue
in theory,
to
keep up the results.
Right.
So you're not too worried about having to come back?
If I have to come back, I'll come back. He's the best, Dr. Trokel.
Let's take a look at the before and after pictures. Turn around for us, because you were targeting your back here. You said this was the one area you just couldn't get. So this is before, and now we'll take a look at the after. It's a little bit of an improvement there. Do you feel like it? Do you feel like it's something that's noticeable?
I absolutely do. Yeah.
I think we have a few more shots too, if we do of some before and afters to give people a better idea. We should point out you don't work for the company. We want to say you're not here to sell the product.
Work for the
but
company.
Understandably, a lot of folks. I mean, these are some pretty incredible pictures, the before and after. A lot of folks are going to be pretty skeptical. It's $3,000. It's really going to melt away my fat, and you say it lasts. It just sounds too good to be true.
Well, it will shrink up the fat cells, and the fat cells do, get smaller. And it's like a diet. You can go on a diet. You can shrink the fat cells, but then it's really up to you what you do with it. And I think this technology is a great motivator to improve our own lifestyles, which will even make us healthier.
Is this approved by the FDA?
Right now, the Zerona machine is FDA approved to be used along with liposuction.
Okay.
And they're currently undergoing FDA trials as a standalone technology.
Which is how you've been using it with Nicolina.
Right, as a standalone.
All right, well, here we go. I want to check in with you in a year, and I want to see how it looks, and I want to know what you've been doing. We'll see if you can keep it up. Well, it's an interesting one. I have to say, I know I'm a terrible skeptic, but those before and after pictures are pretty good.
Pretty good.
Dr. Jan Trokel, Nicolina, good to have both of you with us.